Welcome to our fascinating exploration of nature's meteorologists. In this video, 20 birds that predict severe weather patterns with incredible accuracy, we'll dive into the remarkable abilities of birds to sense and anticipate changes in the atmosphere, often long before humans can. From the majestic albatross to the clever crows and ravens, each of these avian species has its unique way of interpreting the signs of impending weather. Join us as we unravel the secrets behind their extraordinary instincts and learn how they can give us clues about the natural world around us. 1. Albatross. The majestic albatross is renowned for its vast wingspan and its unparalleled ability to glide over the ocean for hours without flapping its wings. These seabirds are particularly adept at sensing changes in wind patterns and air pressure. When an albatross alters its flight path, soaring lower or changing direction abruptly, it often signals an approaching storm over the ocean. These changes in flight patterns help the albatross avoid turbulent weather and find safer routes. Observing an albatross navigate choppy ocean waves can be a clear indication of stormy weather on the horizon. 2. American robin. The American robin, a familiar sight in gardens and parks, is not just a harbinger of spring but also a predictor of harsh winters. These birds, recognizable by their bright orange breasts, have been observed moving south earlier than usual when a severe winter is imminent. Their early migration serves as a warning to other species and humans alike. When flocks of robins are seen heading south in large numbers, it's a signal that a cold and challenging winter may be approaching. 3. Barn swallow. Barn swallows are agile flyers with a penchant for darting swiftly through the air. Before a storm, these birds fly noticeably lower to the ground. This behavior is due to shifts in air pressure that affect the insects they prey on, causing them to fly closer to the Earth's surface. As barn swallows adjust their flight patterns to catch these insects, they inadvertently provide a natural warning system for impending storms. Watching a barn swallow swoop low over a field can be a subtle hint of changing weather. 4. Black-capped chickadee. The black-capped chickadee, with its distinctive black cap and bib, is a small songbird often found in wooded areas and backyards. Before a snowfall or cold front, these birds exhibit increased feeding activity. By stocking up on food, chickadees prepare for the challenging conditions ahead. Their heightened activity is an instinctive response to ensure they have enough energy reserves to weather the storm. A chickadee busily eating seeds from a feeder is a natural indicator of impending cold weather. 5. Blue jay. Known for their vibrant blue feathers and bold personalities, blue jays are also notable weather predictors. Before a storm, these birds become noticeably louder and more aggressive. Their loud calls serve as a warning to other animals, signaling the approach of bad weather. This heightened vocalization and aggression can be observed when a blue jay is sitting on a fence under cloudy skies, alerting those nearby of the changing conditions. 6. Canary. Canaries have long been known for their sensitivity to environmental changes, particularly air quality. Before severe weather events, these birds exhibit heightened sensitivity to changes in the atmosphere. Their acute awareness of shifts in air quality makes them effective predictors of upcoming storms. Observing a bright yellow canary in a cage or aviary can provide clues about the weather, as these birds often become more restless and alert when a storm is brewing. 7. Common loon. The haunting calls of the common loon are familiar to many who live near lakes and waterways. These birds, known for their striking plumage and silent, underwater hunting abilities, are also adept at predicting harsh winters. When loons migrate earlier than usual, it often indicates a particularly severe winter ahead. A loon gliding on a misty lake, preparing to leave for warmer climates, serves as a natural forecast of colder days to come. 8. Crows and ravens. Crows and ravens, with their glossy black feathers and sharp intelligence, are often associated with mystery and folklore. These birds gather in large flocks and become noisier before storms. Their increased vocalization and group behavior can serve as a warning of approaching bad weather. Observing a group of crows cawing on tree branches is a clear signal that a storm may be on its way. 9. Dark-eyed junco. The dark-eyed junco, often called the snowbird, is a small, sparrow-like bird that appears at lower altitudes earlier when heavy snowfall is expected. These birds are commonly seen hopping on the ground in snowy settings, searching for food. Their presence at lower altitudes is a reliable indicator of impending snow, making them a natural barometer for winter weather. 10. Ducks and geese. Ducks and geese are well known for their migratory patterns and their ability to sense changes in the weather. Before hurricanes, these birds take off in large groups and fly erratically. Their behavior becomes more frantic as they seek to escape the approaching storm. A flock of ducks flying over a lake with storm clouds in the distance is a clear sign of severe weather on the horizon. 11. Eagles. Eagles, with their powerful wings and keen eyesight, are majestic birds that can sense approaching storms. These birds often seek higher altitudes before storms and move inland before hurricanes. By observing a bald eagle perched on a cliff with dark clouds behind it, one can deduce that a storm is approaching, and the eagle is seeking a safer location. 12. Flamingos. Flamingos, known for their striking pink plumage and long legs, are also adept at predicting severe weather. Before hurricanes, these birds flee coastal areas well in advance. Their mass departure serves as a warning of the impending storm, as they seek refuge in safer areas. A group of flamingos taking flight over shallow water is a vivid image of nature's way of predicting hurricanes. 13. Gulls. Seagulls, commonly found along coastlines, have an innate ability to sense severe coastal storms. Before such storms, gulls fly inland in large numbers, leaving the ocean behind. This behavior is a clear indicator of approaching bad weather, as they seek shelter from the storm. Observing seagulls flying away from the sea with dark clouds in the sky is a natural warning sign. 14. Herons. Great blue herons, with their long necks and legs, are often seen standing still in marshlands or along waterways. Before floods, these birds become restless and move to safer locations. Their behavior is an instinctive response to rising water levels, providing a natural early warning system for floods. A heron moving away from its usual spot is a sign of potential flooding. 15. Killdeer. The killdeer, a plover-like bird known for its distinctive alarm calls, uses erratic behavior to warn of upcoming bad weather. These birds are often seen running across dirt paths, exhibiting nervous and unpredictable movements. Their behavior becomes more pronounced when they sense a storm, serving as a natural alert to those nearby. 16. Owls. Owls, with their silent flight and nocturnal habits, are mysterious creatures that reduce their activity before storms and blizzards. These birds often stay hidden, conserving energy and avoiding the harsh conditions. A great horned owl sitting quietly in a hollow tree is a sign that a storm is imminent, as the owl seeks shelter from the approaching weather. 17. Parrots. Domesticated parrots, known for their vibrant colors and vocalizations, become noticeably noisier and more anxious before storms. These birds, sensitive to atmospheric changes, exhibit increased vocal activity as a natural response to impending bad weather. A parrot looking alert inside a cage or aviary can provide clues about the approaching storm. 18. Pelicans. Pelicans, with their distinctive pouches and graceful flight, change their flight patterns before hurricanes. These birds fly closer to the water and adjust their routes to avoid turbulent weather. Observing a group of pelicans gliding low over the ocean is a natural indicator of an approaching hurricane, as they seek safer conditions. 19. Sparrows. Sparrows, small and often overlooked, are surprisingly adept at predicting rainstorms. Before such weather changes, these birds forage frantically, responding to shifts in air pressure. Their increased activity is a natural response to ensure they have enough food to withstand the storm. A flock of sparrows hopping on the ground and picking up seeds is a sign of impending rain. 20. Woodpeckers. Woodpeckers, known for their distinctive drumming sounds, become more aggressive before winter storms. These birds drill into trees with greater intensity, stocking up on food and securing nesting sites. Their behavior is a natural response to the changing weather, providing an early warning of approaching cold. A woodpecker pecking at a tree trunk with overcast skies is a clear indicator of an incoming winter storm.